Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the tutorial how to repost someone else's Instagram stories into our Instagram account. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure you are stay in the home sections. In this home section, you need to see on the right upper corner here there will be two buttons. So one is notifications buttons and the other one is for DM or direct message button. So that the things that you have to do is jump into the notifications. If someone tagged or mentioned you on their Instagram, they will be appear here, and you just need to click it to open it. And here you can see that this picture is already appear and has mentioned you, and there will be pop up here a button add to your story, so you just need to go click it. And you can adjusting the size, either you want to be like this with the ID of your friends, or you can also click it to make the size is fulfilling all of your screen. And whenever you're done adjusting it, you just need to go click your story. And now let's check either this story is already reposted or not by go back and check into our story. You just need to wait until the story is posted, and that's the way we repost someone else's Instagram story on our Instagram account. Hopefully this tutorial is get you so well, so see you on the other next video.